Hi everyone, I'm Dari, and in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install your new Shopify theme. Let's get started. After purchasing your Shopify theme from my Etsy shop, you'll receive a PDF file. This file contains everything you need to get started, including a link to download the installation zip file. Click the link and download the zip file to your computer. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, I've got an amazing deal for you. Use this link to sign up for Shopify and get 3 months for just $1 per month. It's the perfect deal for new store owners. Now, log into your Shopify account. Click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. In the Themes section, click the Add Theme button and select Upload Zip File. Choose the zip file you downloaded from the PDF. Once the upload is complete, click Publish to make your new theme live on your store. And voila! Your theme is now installed. Now let's make your store pop by adding those demo images. Go to your PDF file and click the link to the Google Drive folder. Download the images onto your computer. In Shopify, navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side and click on Content Icons Files. From there, select Upload Files and choose all the images you downloaded to upload them in bulk. This makes it super easy to access your images directly in the Shopify theme editor. To preview your store, click on the eye icon next to Online Store in the left-hand menu. This will open your live store in a new tab, and you can see how it looks with the new theme. Now that your theme is installed and images are in place, it's time to add some content and personalize it further. Let's keep going. Now let's add some essential pages to your store. Under Online Store, select Pages. Click the Add Page button in the top right corner. In the title field, enter the name of your page, About. On the right-hand side, under Theme Template, you can see all the template pages that are already pre-made. Select a template that matches your page. Click Save to create the page. If your theme doesn't include a specific page template, you can still create the page manually using default template. Add content using Shopify's built-in editor and click Save. Now that you've created your pages, let's add them to your store's navigation menu. Click on Content in the left-hand menu. Select Menus from the drop-down, click on Main Menu, and add menu item. In the Name field, enter the name of the page. In the Link field, click on the drop-down menu, select Pages, and choose the page you just created. After adding all the desired pages, rearrange the menu items by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. Save menu to apply the changes. Modify the footer menu in the same way. Create and populate an additional menu if needed. Now we are ready to set up a blog. Click on Online Store, select Blog Posts. Click on the Add Blog Post button. Enter the title of your blog post in the title field. Use the content editor to write your article. Set visibility. Upload an image in the Featured Image section to represent your blog post. This image will appear as a thumbnail on the blog page. Under the blog section on the right-hand side, choose the blog where you want the article to appear. By default, Shopify provides a news blog. Click the Save button. Now when our blog is done, let's prepare collections for your products. Click on Products, select Collections. Click on the Create Collection button in the top right corner. Enter a name for your collection and a collection image to make the page look great. Once done, click Save. Now that your collections are set up, it's time to add products to your store. Click on Products in the left-hand menu. Then click the Add Product button. Enter the product's name. Write a detailed description highlighting the features and benefits of your product. Next, upload high-quality product images or videos to showcase your product. Great visuals can really boost sales. Enter the product's price in the Price field. Choose Collections for your product and click Save. If you're new to Shopify, be sure to check out the Shopify Help Center. It's a fantastic resource to learn more about pricing strategies, inventory management, setting up variants, and shipping details. The more you know, the smoother your store setup will be. Now that your theme is installed and your content is ready, let's explore Shopify's Customize feature. Let's take a quick tour of what you can do. Online Store in the left-hand menu. Then, under Themes, click the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open Shopify's theme editor, where all the magic happens. Let's begin by adding your logo and brand information. Click on the Header section in the left-hand panel. From here, you can upload your logo, adjust its size, and add a tagline or branding text if your theme supports it. This step ensures your store reflects your brand identity right away. Next, head over to Theme Settings. Here, you can customize key design elements. Change your colors to match your brand palette. Choose the right fonts to complement your style. Adjust button styles for a polished, professional look. These settings are essential for creating a cohesive and visually appealing store. The theme editor is divided into two main panels. On the left, you'll see all the sections that make up your store, like the header, featured collections, and footer. You can click on any section to edit its content or rearrange them using drag and drop. On the right, you can set settings and appearance. You're not limited to just the home page. Use the drop-down at the top of the theme editor to switch between different pages. Customize these pages to ensure a consistent look and feel across your entire store. Finally, make sure your store looks great on all devices. Click the device icons at the top of the editor to preview how your store will appear on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Most customers shop on their phones, so double-checking the mobile view is key. Congratulations! Now your website is ready and looking amazing. You're all set to start building your online business. If you need extra help, I offer full installation services where I can set everything up with your content. I also provide custom website design services to create a store that's uniquely yours. You can find all the links in the PDF file. And if you have any questions or need a consultation, feel free to contact me. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. If you love your new Shopify theme, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a 5-star review on Etsy. Your feedback means the world to me and helps others discover my products. Thanks again, and happy selling.